baka meron po kayong mensahe na gustong ipaabot dun sa mga Filipino fishermen or mga mangingisda natin na after this po ay takot na takot po.
Well, una sa lahat, no, ang nire-require talaga natin sa ating mga mangingisdang Pilipino is to have the radio equipment. Ito yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. So that they can be able to broadcast their need for assistance kung sakaling they will be subjected to harassment ng Chinese Coast Guard. No? That's one. Secondly, it's important na para sa akin, there's also an advantage kung collectively you go out in fishing. For example, hindi ka lang mag-iisa, hindi kayo napupunta ng West Philippines na magpapalaot. There is an advantage kung you will go there by groups. No? And ito yung isa sa mga sinasabi namin sa mga mangingisda. It's better na magkakasama kayo para you can also support one another. And there are also vessels who can report immediately sa Coast Guard kung sakaling may insidente. And the third, of course, para sa amin, ang cooperation ng ating mga fishing operators, no, sa Coast Guard for them to inform the Coast Guard station, whether in Zambales, Mindoro, in Palawan, that they're going out para ma-monitor natin ilan ang umalis at ilan ang bumalik.